There are several methods of charging the high-voltage battery in the Audi e-tron. Audi highly recommends using high-voltage charging stations or a dedicated wall box. The Audi e-tron compact charging system may be used with a standard outlet when these options are not available. The compact charging system consists of the control unit, the attached vehicle cable with a charging connector, a power cable with a standard plug for household sockets, and a separate power cable for use with industrial sockets. On the control unit, connect the appropriate power cable for the available socket, household or industrial, and close the lock. Plug the power cable into a dedicated outlet. The icons on the control unit may glow or flash green, yellow, or red depending on conditions. Please see the owner's manual for information on the status indicated by various combinations. The control unit automatically recognizes the voltage and available current strength. The charging power level can be set to full or half power by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Half power charging is not available with 110 volt power. Before connecting the charging cable to the vehicle, the Audi e-tron must be in park, the parking brake set, and the ignition off. The compact charging system can then be connected to the charging port on the Audi e-tron. The charging process will begin once the cable is attached to the vehicle, unless a timer has been set. The light to the left of the port will glow white when the vehicle is communicating with the charging station. When the indicator light is pulsing green, the vehicle is being charged. An indicator will also pulse on the instrument cluster. There is also an indicator for the estimated remaining charging time until the charging process is completed. Once charging is complete, the indicator light in the control unit will be solid green. While charging, the connector is locked and cannot be removed unless the vehicle is unlocked and the charge port button is pressed. The connector must be removed within 30 seconds or it will automatically re-lock. The Audi e-tron compact charging system is a convenient alternative to dedicated charging stations.